are keeping fine. Hope you have done your homework which I had given in previous lesson. Now I am going to teach you the poem I Want Peace. Now let us see the poem in detail. Now let us read the poem. I want peace. I am big and round. I wonder if there will be peace. I hear the sound of people who are being killed. I see the people crying for life. I want to help the poor people. I am big and round. I feel the weight of sorrow on me. I touch the feelings of the people. I worry about the future of the people on me. I cry for help from God. I am big and round. I understand the problems of the people on me. I say grace for all people. I dream about my past. I try to handle my sorrow. I hope I won't be destroyed. I am big and round. Dear students, now let us see how the poet is speaking about this poem. Here, the poet puts his words in the mouth of Mother Earth. We know Earth is big and sphere in shape. So here poet puts his words in the mouth of the earth that I am big and round. I means the earth here speaks with full of sorrow. Now let us see in the first stanza how the poet speaks. In the first stanza, the Mother Earth sadly says, I wonder if there will be peace. Here, Mother Earth longs for peace. I hear the sound of people crying and weeping for life. People are killed. There is no value for life, especially for the poor people. So, the earth desires and wishes to help the poor people, helpless people, and for whom this society has neglected. Second stanza, the Mother Earth feels the heavy weight that is sorrow, which makes Mother Earth to feel sad. Mother Earth feels the people struggle and sorrow. Since Earth is our mother, so she worried about the future of the people who are belongs to her. So the earth is crying to asking help from God to save this earth and to save her children. In the third stanza, we see that I am big and round, I understand the problems of the people on me. Here, Mother Earth says that she understands each problem. We know, dear students, our mother at home understands our problems and helps us. Same way, Mother Earth understands each human being's problems. So, here Mother Earth prays for people, for good things to take place. Mother Earth feels happy when the things about past, when it recalls. We know in the past there was less pollution. People were respecting each other's life. There were no fights or murders. There was filled with happiness and peace. Recalling past, the earth handling the sorrow of the present. Here Mother Earth with full of tears says, hoping that forever people won't destroy her. So she is asking to keep her safe and sound. You understood the meaning of the poem. In this poem, the poet is asking us to protect our Mother Earth. Here we see that Mother Earth loves us and worried about us. So it is our duty, as she loves us, we too have to love her by various ways, just like planting the saplings, avoiding the uses of plastics, cleaning our surroundings, keeping our surroundings clean and healthy, and through various ways we can protect her. And she is asking us today to, by protecting her, we are going to protect her children who are in this earth. Dear students, now I am going to give you homework. Go through the poem once again and write one article based on this poem. Thank you very much. Let us meet once again in the next class.